So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to see how to create unlimited of shorts and reels with this awesome AI website. So watch the video till the end. So guys, watch the video completely. I will show you step by step how you're gonna get unlimited of shorts in just few minutes. At first we are gonna go to the Google and search for VIzard AI. So as you can see, VIzard AI. So you can see like automatic video editor, AI smart cut, auto rename. So just go to the website. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can get unlimited of motivation shorts to create a shorts YouTube channel to earn more. So we have come to the website and I'm gonna hit just a accept. So at first go to the sign up and just create an account from your Google account. So I'm gonna connect my Google account. So just confirm. So we are already signed in. So as you can see, so guys, as you can see, there is a clean workspace. So all you have to do is just go to the create project and just hit the upload from link. So I'm gonna click it. So guys, as you can see, we have come to this page. So now it's asking for a YouTube video link. I'm gonna add a video from YouTube. So let's say I search for motivation videos. So as you can see, motivation video in English. So just go there. So guys, as you can see, there are lots of video on motivation. So guys, make sure to upload a video which is longer than 14 to 15 minutes. Then this website can easily create some shorts for you. So as you can see, there are a lot of videos on motivation. So if I suppose I select foreign,
These people have one thing.
I just want to create some shorts on this video. So I'm gonna go to the link and just copy the link and come to the website and just hit paste and just click continue. After that it will show you a tab on to select your language and what is the duration you want. So for the reels and shorts, so guys, 30 second to 60 second is perfect, but I always choose 60 to 90 second. I also get for it for YouTube or Facebook. So I'm gonna select this and the language will be English. So make sure guys you find a video which is already have a caption and it's longer than 13 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna select this and just hit next. So it asking for I'm not okay. So now you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It will process your video. So let's just wait for some time. So this is an inspiring video, so I'm gonna create some shorts on this. So as you can see, this VIzard AI website just created me these shorts. So if we play the shorts from here, so just I'm gonna play this. So just select it and just play.
She went to Chicago and she bought what she could have furnished her dream had always been to open a furniture
This is really awesome, guys.
This woman who never gone
You
to
can
school,
see you can also get the script from here.
But with the same spirit that the people in this room had about having a dream and working to accomplish that dream, she built a business which she sold to me in 1983 for $60 million approximately, and which...
So guys, what I want to say that this website is creating you a shorts with the title. So and also you can get a viral score, that which video will rank on YouTube. So this called 9.5. So this website also create the shots from the video and also create you the transcript of the video. So guys, this is really awesome. All you have to do is go find an awesome motivational video and just copy the link and just paste here. So I'm gonna need all of this 3 shots. So let's just go to this, like this one say the extraordinary rise of Jack Taylor's rent-a-car company. So let's see how
When
it
he
goes.
died, his rent-a-car company, starting with those 17 cars, was worth more than Hertz and Avis and all the rest of the rental cars.
So guys, if you notice, it also creating the background music. So
Put together. The man's name was Jack Taylor, and his son.
So this is really awesome. All you have to do is download it. So if I want to get this short, so all you have to do just hit the export. So there is an option called Indeed. So if I go to the export, so let's see. As you can see, it's saying preparing to export. So just hit the view. So as you can see, it goes to another tab. So just wait a little bit. So I'm gonna select 7. So guys, this will take some time. So all you have to just wait. So let's see another video. So as you can see, there is another video called the unconventional tactic of Jack Taylor in car. So you can use this video to create a new short channel. As you know, short channel are if I search for motivational English, so as you can see, there is unlimited of shorts on motivation. So people are creating this type of unlimited of shorts with this VIzard AI website. The wait is over and our video is completely ready. And as you
When he
can see,
died,
so guys, as you can see, there is a simple watermark in here. To remove the watermark, you can go for the subscription pack, but I am okay with this watermark. So let's just play the video.
his rent-a-car company,
So you can also get the subtitle of
starting with those
the
17
video.
cars, was worth more than Hertz and Avis and all the rest of the rental cars put together. The man's name was Jack Taylor, and his son, Andy Taylor, is a good friend of mine, runs the business now. A grandchild is in the business. They'll probably be a 4th generation online. So this man in the United States, he didn't
This
invent
is
artificial
really awesome,
intelligence.
guys.
He didn't do anything that
Just think
Just like
what you
Mrs.
can
Beast,
do right now. You can create unlimited
Any one of
of
us
shorts,
can enter
30 to
those
50
businesses.
shorts
But he lived
in
by
just
the-
few
by the
minutes.
creed, basically, of delighting his customers and working with people and establishing the relationship with them so that they in turn would want to delight customers. He couldn't go out there and take care of every rental car possibility, but he learned how to project himself and his attitude toward his phone.
This is really awesome. So I'm gonna download this video. So I'm gonna, as you can see, there is a download option show. So I'm gonna hit the download button. So I have just downloaded this video. As you can see, this is really awesome.
His rent-a-car company,
So
starting with those 17 cars,
So guys, now you can create unlimited of shorts and create a shorts channel in 2024. I suggest you, because now you can create unlimited of shorts of Elon Musk, of shorts of some rich people like Warren Buffett. So create unlimited of shorts. As you can see, you don't have to do nothing. All you have to do this copy the link and paste it here. This website will create your shorts with the transcript. So this is really great. So guys, thank you so much to watching this video.